Hi viewers, today's recipe is crispy and tasty potato nuggets. The ingredients required are take a blender and add 1 cup chopped onion, half cup grated carrot, 4 cubes of cheese, some chili flakes and coriander. Add 2 bread slices. Blend it into a thick paste without adding water. Take some boiled potatoes, put it in the paste, add 1 tablespoon salt and mash well. Take the paste and make them into shapes like nuggets. You can also make them flat or in the shape of a ball. Take a bowl and add 1/4 cup of corn flour, 1 tablespoon maida, and half tablespoon salt. Add half cup water to it and make it into a slurry. Make sure there is no lumps in it. Keep the slurry aside and take the nuggets and breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs can be made by roasting the bread and putting them in the blender. It should be very fine. Take a nugget and dip it in the slurry. Take it out and roll it in the breadcrumbs. It should get completely covered with the breadcrumbs. Take a pan and heat up some oil. Drop the nuggets slowly. The flame should be in medium. If the flame is too low, it will break, and if it's too high, there are chances it can burn. Fry it until golden brown color. Serve hot with some ketchup and mayonnaise. Yummy and tasty potato nuggets are ready. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. Drop a comment how you got this recipe. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, Delicious Foods. Thanks for watching. Bye.